audience, this is Raza, and today we will be covering the Excel most useful logic and are and not, how these functions are working, and then we will be combining these three functions with if condition logic statement. So how these logics are working? Let's suppose we have this logic and functions. The AND logics, how it working? It actually need two conditions for both the conditions should be true. For example, this is one condition. If this is true, then there must be then the second condition must also be true. So then it give us the true result. If the condition one is true, other is false, it will give the result false. Also give us false. If both are false, then the result will be false. In our logic, if both the conditions are true or any one of the condition is true, the result will be true. So here this is true, and if both the condition are false, the result will be false. Not logic give opposite things. If something is true, the result will be false. If something is false, the result will be true. So these are the three functions, and we will combine this with if and not statement. For example, let's suppose we want to test first the AND condition. We want that uh, this is our data. In this data, the first this column is salesman, the name of salesman. The second is the product name. This is the unit sold of the product, and this is the total sale of the products. We want that if we will be using AND condition, and we will give if the condition will give if they in the first condition if they sold out more than 5,000, and in the second condition if the sale price is more than 60,000. So we will be saying that this is eligible for bonus. This salesman is eligible for the bonus. So how it working? Let's give the condition as it start, and the first logic is required that if this is greater than 5,000, and the second logic is if their total sale price is greater than 60,000, then that will be eligible for what? Eligible for bonuses. But here it will not give us the bonus, it will give us true false value. So let's just drag it down to bottom. Now the first condition is false. Why? Because the unit are sold how many? These are 10,000. The first condition is true, but the second condition is false. So this A salesman is not eligible for 5% bonuses because two of the conditions are not fulfilling. In the second one, the first one is not true, the second one is also not true, so it is false. The same is this 3,000 is less than 5,000, so it is false, the first condition. The second condition is also false, so the result is false. And in the same time, this is the first condition is true, more than 5,000. The second condition is also true, more than 60,000 sale, so it is true. So coming down, so these are the results that AND logic is giving. The AND is just give true false but when we combine this with if statement, it will give actually the actual value. Let's combine with if. Let me give that if the units sold are more than 5,000, at the same time the total sale is more than 60,000, then do what? Then give 5% of the sale amount to this salesman as a bonus. So if this is not so, then give no bonus. See, when we combine if function with AND logics, then it is useful, else the AND function just give true and false value. So see, no bonus is required. Why? Because the unit this salesman Ali sold are more than 5,000. First condition is fulfilling, but the sale amount is less than 60,000, so he is not eligible for bonus. If you drag it down the formula, now see, this is not eligible because this is 5,000 units sold and this sale amount is 60,000, not more than 60,000. So both the condition are not meeting here. At the same time here not meeting. Here both the condition, the first condition is also meet, the second is also meeting. So this man is getting 7,500 as a bonus. Same is this person Fahad. He sold more than 5,000 unit of the product. At the same time the total sale is 300,000, so he is getting 15,000 as a bonus. The next person Abdullah is also selling less than 5,000 unit, and but the second condition is meeting. His sale is more than 60,000, so he is not getting bonus because one condition is not meeting. So this is all about the AND function. Now we will be using the OR function. How OR function is working. If any of the condition is true, then the salesman will be getting a 5% bonus. How it works? Let's start with if and then OR function. In OR function, the first logic is this: if he is selling more than 5,000, if he is selling more than 5,000, at the same time the second logic is his sale is more than 60,000, then he will be getting what? He will be getting the he will be getting what? He will be getting the 5% of his sale amount. And if this is not true, then he will not get any bonus, so no bonus. See, now the first condition is fulfilling, the second is not, so he is getting 1500 bonuses. If we drag it down, what will be the results? Here in this case, because the sale unit are 500,000 and the sale amount is not, both the condition are not meeting, so he is not getting the bonus. The same is the case is here, he is also not getting the bonus, and the rest are all getting except this one because he's not meeting both the conditions, so he is not getting the bonus. So this is about the what? This is about the AND and OR function. Now, no the opposite function, it will not work. Let's use it. For example, NOT functions have only one condition. If this amount is greater than 60,000, so it will give the result well opposite. So here this amount is less than 60,000, we will be getting here the value C true. And the same time the next is also true, here is also true. Here we give the logic that if this amount is greater than 60,000, then the NOT function give us value what? False result is given. Now how NOT function will work? In NOT function we will be combining with the if statement. So if the function is not, if this is less than 60,000, now it work opposite, so we will give what? This man will get a bonus of, we'll close it out, this man will get a 5% bonus, comma, if not then no bonus. See here the opposite side it working because we give the condition if this is less than 60,000. If it is less than 60,000, it means the NOT function it convert with opposite side, so it will automatically apply the 5% bonus to this employee. So this is all about our logic function and or and not function. I hope